This is the Algo Futures Trader Weekly Market Roundup, and this is AFT 7 for NinjaTrader 7. We had our Fed announcement here in the US on Wednesday, so I wanted to take a look at the trades on Thursday and Friday after the announcement and the impact that had on the markets, at least on our opening morning breakout, which this is. Now this is a template that comes built in, ready to go with the software. When you download it, which you can do for free, you can use it for as long as you'd like. So you can test it and play with it until you're proficient, and then when you feel comfortable, you can then go ahead and purchase a license or lease a license. All right, so the no trade zone here is this blue shaded area, and at the bottom we have our traffic light filter, and there's just some things that the software is looking for in order for it to be able to generate a signal, but not only generate the signal, but send that signal to the what we call the Ninja Buddy here for trade execution. So we can set this to, if we choose automatic trading on, we can take the next long or the next short, or both. We can use full automation, where the software will take all the trades, long, short, and continue to take them all day. So you have the ability to fully automate it or semi-automate it and have some discretion. All right, so I'm just going to shut that off here. So on Thursday, what we're looking for here was a breakout of the no trade zone, in this case to the downside. Some of the factors that we were looking at told us that the market should get some follow through to the downside. And so we took the S&P, which at the time was one of the weakest markets, and we judged that by checking out alphawebtrader, which you can see here. And this is the home page, and this gives us a great snapshot in the morning, which is the strongest market, which is the weakest market, what is the trend, up or down. This trend strength indicator is what we were looking at on Thursday and Friday to determine which is the stronger market, which is the weaker. So the NASDAQ right now, Sunday as the market is open, is the strongest market. The mid caps are the weakest. This will also point out which markets are in the positive territory. So we've got financials in the EU. Financials in the US are up. The indices are negative, metals, grains, and so on. The predominant session right now, we're in the Asian session. All right, so that's displayed here. And then there's a lot of stuff here if you want to subscribe. All right, here's all the different choices for subscription. Obviously, there's a free option, and then there's some additional subscription that you can get by paying for some additional services, including trade signals. All right, so we take a look at this to try to find out in the morning, if we do break out of that no trade zone, which is the strongest markets, which are the weaker markets, and try to get short the weak market and strong the long market, right? So trends were down, and this is the MES. It broke out to the downside. It took a little bit of time before it got rolling here. But here's a first target here. Now the software is this automatically trades a 3 lot. So it's taking 2 off here, and then it's trailing with a trailing stop on an offset of this USAR, this kind of red dotted line above the price here. And just got taken out on a stop on the trail on that last before things did continue lower here. But this is a day trading strategy, so there are a few times, maybe a month, that you'll actually capture the 100% of the range for the day kind of thing. But it is a day trading strategy. So that was Thursday. So then on Friday, same scenario pretty much, but this case the NQ is the weaker market. We got taken into a trade to the short side, and got some heat, didn't get stopped out, ended up hitting a first target here, and then again just got stopped out on the trailing stop before it did head a little lower. But that's the game. But these are some nice easy trades, thanks to the Fed for that. But the beauty with the breakout strategy is you can get in early on a move and ride that as far as and completely automate it and ride that trend as far as possible, like I said, as a day trading strategy. But this can all be downloaded for free. You can go to algofuturestrader.com and download the Algo Futures 7 for NinjaTrader 7. We do offer NinjaTrader 8 that you can download that is in beta right now. Hoping to have a release of NinjaTrader 8 this month, the month of May here. But stay tuned for that. And you can join our Discord server from the website. You can get access to Algo AlphawebTrader as well that I showed you. All right, all that you can use for free to a certain extent. And if you're looking for something to help you, become proficient and become profitable, give this a shot. And because you can use this template right out of the box, it's all done for you. Or you can make as many adjustments as you want, right, and customize it. All right, that's it for this week. We'll take a look and see what the markets bring us for this new trading week here. And I forgot to mention a happy Mother's Day to all out there. All right, take care and have a great week.